All right, got a couple of quick updates on the Bestwyll tonneau cover for you guys. Let's jump out to the truck. So after the amp and speaker installation, I had to disconnect the battery, and I didn't realize by doing that, I was going to reset the actual programming for the cover to know full open and close operation. So I came out to it looking something like this. So you could see right now, I just kind of mocked this up to show you an example of what it looked like when it was supposedly fully retracted and closed. All right, so to fix this, pretty straightforward. Right here, they actually give you some step-by-step directions right here that you can follow, so you don't have to memorize this. Up here, this was on and covered. As you can see, it was something like this. So this was here, covering that. And this is a 5mm hex to get this removed. But just so you can see, so once you expose this, use a screwdriver to rotate the middle cross slot. So rotate counterclockwise until rotation axis is parallel with the black bracket. So I basically just rotated it out. This thing pops out, and the black bracket it's referring to is like right here. You can see it's kind of a recessed section, but if you just keep unscrewing it, just keep unscrewing. You don't want to pull it all the way out, but just keep unscrewing it until it's pretty far out. You'll actually be able to tell once this is able to retract all the way, you got it out enough. Once you get it fully retracted, closed like this, then screw this back in and make it kind of in line with, where it was before. Then you can go back into the cab and use the interior button, or if you have the fob, to trigger the operation to close it, and then it will relearn. Good tip. Now, something else I wanted to point out, because I've noticed I was hearing a lot of tapping noise from the interior of the cabin at higher speeds. So when I was doing freeway speeds, like 65, actually just, I want to say it was even closer to like 55, lower. And I think has something to do with my setup here. So I kind of readjusted the pipes. They were before, it kind of twisted in over here. Wondering if anybody else has experienced something like that with their drainage pipe. As I went through and checked all the screws, tightened, make sure everything's tightened, snug, nothing's loose. Nothing seems noticeably flappy. And it's weird from the interior. It only sounds like it's coming from the passenger side rear. We'll see. But just wanted to give you guys that update that I am hearing that. I'm experiencing that ever since I've installed this and did my first road trip in it. So